G'day Oz ADV Rider, today we're heading into the Grampians. A very wet morning. Oh, hopefully it clears up. It's not supposed to be a lot of rain today, but it's been pretty wet so far. Righto, hopefully we're on. We'll catch up to Harry now. Righto, we're just broken up for a bit. Me and Barry are going ahead with Harry. Leading the way on his big KTM 1290. I wasn't quite ready for that, he's friggin' flying. Got a tight turn, which I cannot see a fucking thing. Right. Alright. Righto! Now, I think the rain has finally stopped. We're in the Grampians. I don't know what footage I got on the other camera. I can't use this camera with the microphone plugged in the wet, so I had the other camera on. I did a bit synced up with the Sena, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I've done some nice riding today. Normally it would be very nice scenery, but it's been very overcast and wet today. You can tell it's a touristy area when the sign's telling you to drive on the left. Watch the road. Too busy looking at the scenery. Hall's Gap, there's the bakery. I think that's where we're going. And we'll take the motorcycle parking lot. Yeah, it's funny, even though we've had all that rain, it's still dusty. Because we're wet from the rain, all the dust just sticks to you. Oh shit. Whoa. Yes, I think we're going to head over Mount Cole and come out at Beaufort. I think that's the plan. Got James leading the way again. Barry's in front of me. Look at those trees on the inside of the corner, make it a bit interesting. Way to go. You go that way? Did he go that way? I don't know. Find out. Yeah, there he is. Lake Fians? I don't know how you say that. Yeah, nice. Apparently the first ever game of AFL was played right there. That's Lexington Station. This is why it's good to go riding with a local. They know the area and know some of the useless trivia that goes with it. It's been an awesome day today. Lots of these roads you wouldn't think of doing just by looking at the map. Righto, where are we? Oh, we're back in Ararat. There you go. Ararat Hotel. We started the morning here somewhere. A bit busier now. Hopefully that old lady we saw us put some pants on. We're all coming. Yep, all there. Righto, let's go. Pretty easy if you give it some. I don't know how an emergency brake would go in it. But it's nice and predictable though. Jesus. Ah, check that out. Probably should get over here on the track. Oh, Jesus. Dry weather only. Cool. That's what we like to see. How much rain have we had again? We'll be fine. Oh well, smell the eucalyptus. Whew. Just leave a little bit of a gap. Ooh, it's a bit greasy too. This one, red rock track. So this is red rock. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bloody hell. Which way did they go up there, did they? Which way did they go? Straight up the middle? Bloody hell. Fuck. It's alright. Yeah, I can see the track. Whoa, 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 shit. You alright?
You alright, Bill? No? Didn't hurt yourself, did you?
Yeah. No, you're alright.
Just gas it straight up the rock.
Yep.
It looks worse than it is. It's actually quite easy. You just gotta have momentum.
Yeah, okay. Stands up, we're in. Oh, and we're. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, nice. Check that out. Far out. Oh well. So Grampians all that way. Whoa, let me get on this fucking thing. Oh. Up you go. Righto, apparently they jump off there in hang gliders, so good luck to them. Magic view though. Righto, let's see if I can get back down this rock. A bit of space. Going right around the outside. Righto. Oh, right down the middle. This is pretty grippy, that rock. fantastic day out today. Thanks a lot to James and Harry for organising the ride, leading the way. Had a great time. Lots of places I've never been before, and lots of places I never would have found on my own. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.